What if I told you, with just a gentle push of your hand, you could lift an entire bus? Sounds impossible, right? That's the magic of hydraulics. A technology so powerful, yet so common, it's working around you every single day. Welcome to Mechanical Tech. Today, I'll take you deep into the fascinating world of hydraulic systems, how they work, why they're so powerful, and where they're changing the game. Before we start, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to Mechanical Tech, and comment "Power of Fluids" below so I know you're watching till the end. Hydraulics is a system that uses liquid to transmit power. It's all based on one brilliant scientific principle, Pascal's Law. This law states that when pressure is applied to a fluid in a confined space, it's transmitted equally in all directions. That means a small force applied here can create a huge force over there. And that's the heart of every hydraulic machine. From pressing the brake pedal in your car, to massive cranes lifting steel beams, to the dentist's chair quietly adjusting your seat, hydraulics are everywhere, silently doing the heavy lifting. A hydraulic system has four main parts. Reservoir stores the hydraulic fluid. Pump moves the fluid and creates flow. Valves control the direction, pressure, and flow rate. Actuator converts fluid power into mechanical motion. Hydraulic fluid is specially formulated to resist compression, lubricate parts, prevent corrosion, and withstand extreme pressure and temperature. Without the right fluid, your system's efficiency drops and components wear out quickly. The pump pulls fluid from the reservoir and forces it into the system. Common types are gear pumps, vane pumps, and piston pumps, each with its own strengths depending on the application. Valves decide where the fluid goes, how fast it moves, and how much pressure is applied. Without valves, hydraulics would be wild, uncontrollable power. Cylinders provide straight-line motion. Hydraulic motors provide rotation. Together, they power everything from diggers to amusement park rides. If you're still watching, you're clearly curious about how things work. Support Mechanical Tech. Like, share, and subscribe so we can bring you more deep dives into amazing engineering. Even the best systems can fail. Seals leak, hoses burst, valves stick. The key is regular inspection and using the right fluid and components. Hydraulics teach us something. With the right principles, a small effort can create massive results in engineering and in life. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with friends, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive. Next time on Mechanical Tech, we'll explore another mechanical wonder, one that powers both cars and airplanes. Stay tuned. This is Mechanical Tech, now where machines come to life. Keep learning, keep building, and keep innovating.